Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your batteries on your Volkswagen's key, your key fob or whatever you have. As you can see, I have two different Volkswagen keys here. So they're both about the same thing, but they go about it in just slightly different way. All right, for this job, you could use something as simple as a nail or one of these picks like what I have here. All right, so let's start with this one. This one, I bought the car, but it's missing the key. So you're gonna take it, open it up, and you see on this side right here, see the top side where it says the logo here, just pop it out, okay? So I have a new battery here on the side. These go up ways, so you can see the kind of battery you're gonna need for this. That's it right there in there for that one. And that's it for this one. It's done. As for the other style key, same thing. Where the Volkswagen logo is. Always remember where the Volkswagen logo is, that's the side that you open up. Pop it out. As you can see, the old batteries inside there. Just like right in this little corner. You pop it out. But I'm not replacing this battery, but this is just the idea how to get it in and get it out. As you can see, there's these little edges right here, but you push it under it. That's it. Then you put the cover back on. It snaps back in place. And that's it. That's how you replace the batteries on your Volkswagen keys.